Good afternoon, ladies and gents. Thanks for tuning in to another watch list brought to you by FTX. If you don't have an FTX account, then feel free to use the link in the description below and you'll receive 10% off your trading fees. If you haven't already noticed, we do have a Easter sale coming up as well. So if you are interested in the courses or joining our community, you will receive 25% off as of this Friday. Okay, so Bitcoin. What a slow day it has been in the markets. Bitcoin's up 0.01%, which is quite odd. We did see this dramatic sell-off over the last few days, and it looks like we could have bottomed out here. We can throw a level in here around the $39,000 mark. Not really a round number or a significant number, and it doesn't really hold any value if we look to the left. So what are my thoughts? I think I wouldn't be surprised if we do see some crab walking to the right, and then maybe a further sell-off down to this support around 37,000. But I'm sure there's people out there that are saying that this is like a double bottom. We've touched, bounced, touched, and we could very well take back off to the upside. So I think a little bit of confusion in the market. So I think I'll be waiting to see what Bitcoin's next move is, whether it is that crab walk to the side and then a drop, or who knows, we could continue to crab walk. We are in this consolidation zone that we've been talking about, where we've spent a lot of time, since the start of the year almost. We've spent a lot of time ranging between around the 45,000 and the 37,000. Sort of bounce, try to break out, and we've just rejected. Try to break out, and we've rejected. So we are in that consolidation period. So trading in here is doable, but you just need to take that into consideration. So what I'd like to see is a further downside bounce off this level, and then potentially look for long trades back up to this level. We could very well break that level and move further south. So it is important to be prepared for markets like this. Just have those longer terms. Have those longer term entries set. So if wicks like this do happen, you can get entered in and you sit quite comfortably. Or just have a plan. Have a plan if it does go up to 45,000, or have a plan if it goes lower. Hey Ray, and hi Donna. I hope you're well. So yeah, that's my thoughts on Bitcoin at the moment. There's just not much out there. It's a little bit confused now. It's basically the same across the board. So I've done 2 scans today already, and nothing's really changed. We've just got a few levels here on the 4-hour time frame where we've come down, we've tested. So what we'd like to see is another test or a break and retest to get those cradle trades to the downside. Failing that, a rejection of this level, a little move higher, so break the previous high and then create a higher low, and that would sort of open us up to looking at long trades. But there's nothing there at the moment on Atlas. Bobber is the same. Test. We could just have a level forming here. We could just break this level, come back, retest. I'd definitely be open for shorts on that. Chromia, again, same thing, 4-hour time frame. We've had 2 tests. It would be nice, to build down into this level and then see a break, or just a break and retest. Eden as well is looking good on the 2-hour. So this is one of the few that is trending. So we've got a series of lower highs and lower lows. MACD looks good. Pull back into that cradle zone. With a bearish candle, I'll want to know about it. The 4-hour is trending as well. So that's one of the few that isn't on the level and is still trending to the downside. ICX, another one sitting on a level. We just need some more momentum to come back into that. HBAR as well, another level on this 4-hour time frame. Build down to that level and break, or a solid rejection. Rhys the same, Rune's the same, Theta the same, and Zcash as well. So that's what I'm waiting on, is just some more market momentum. This is just untradeable, this period here. you know, because it's more or less sideways. So I think, yeah, if we go back to Bitcoin, that's what we're waiting for, just to see its next move, you know, and unless you caught these moves down. If you did, you'd be sitting nicely in profit. But yeah, I think we're just waiting for Bitcoin's next move. If there's any questions, feel free to throw them in the chat box. I'll be happy to answer them. But yeah, I think my pick for today would be Eden. It doesn't look like there's going to be anything in the way of getting those targets. I guess the next level would be down around here. So we should be able to get a 1-to-1 before that. It just does look a little bit thin. Oh, maybe it's not too bad. So yeah, it's that 2-hour time frame. Pull back into that cradle zone, bearish candle. Yeah, I'll want to know about it. So yeah, that's my watch list for today, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out on the live chat or in the community. And yeah, I'll be happy to help you out. Hope you have a good day, and I'll chat to you soon.